dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome everybody to my channel. It's Deandra Renee, and today I will be showing you how to create this glam idea for your room. So first you're going to need 4 wooden hearts. I got these from Michael's. I know Dollar Tree had some too, but I couldn't find them. You'll need some scissors, some styrofoam blocks. I got those from Dollar Tree. I got some glitter paper from Michael's, some glue sticks. You can get those from anywhere pretty much. A glue gun, some flowers of your choice. I got those from Dollar Tree. And you will also need some command strips. So first you want to take your wooden heart from Michael's, and this has a strip on it to where you can hang it up on the wall. So I didn't remove it just in case I wanted to do that, but I'm taking my glitter paper and I'm trying to see how it fits the best. I think it fits this way the best. A little bit of the bottom is showing, but I'm going to cover that later. So I'm just covering my wooden heart with this glitter paper. And I got this idea from Beauty Meets DIY off of YouTube, you guys. If you have not seen her channel, you need to check out her channel. I will link it down below. She did something similar, but I just kind of made my own way of how to create my own. So I'll link her down below. But I'm just cutting out this heart stencil with this paper, and I'm going to glue it down with my hot glue gun. So now I'm just taking a scrap piece of paper from what I already cut, and I'm finding a piece that fits really well for this little corner that was not covered. So I'm just going to glue that down. And here's what the heart looks like after I have covered it. It's really pretty, but I'm not finished yet. So now it is time to make the back of this. So I'm going to get the other wooden heart and place it down. So now it's time to add the styrofoam block. The styrofoam block is so I can put the flowers inside. So I'm just going to stick the flowers in the styrofoam block. So I'm just hot glue gunning that styrofoam block to that bottom wooden heart. So now I'm placing the top of my heart on this styrofoam block, and you want to make sure it's even. Just make sure it's lining up. Everything seems like it's fitting correctly. You can even use your fingers to guide you. I just kind of eyeballed it and could tell when it was measured correctly, but I'm just hot glue gunning this down. And you guys, you can use a different option. You can use a stronger glue. I'm just using hot glue gun because it's quick, it's cheap, and it's what I already had. So I'm just hot glue gunning everything together, and then it will be time to finish covering the rest of my heart in the glitter paper. So now I am covering the sides of my heart, and I'm putting it on one side. You can put it on both sides and then apply the paper. I think it would be much easier. This is my first time making this, so it was kind of trial and error. But I put the glue on just one side of the heart, and then I cut out the other side. So you can pre-cut the strips. That will be easier. But yeah, I was just kind of figuring it out as I was going. But pre-cutting the strips will be so much easier, you guys. But after cutting the strip, I went ahead and glued it down to that other side of the heart. So here is what everything is looking like so far. So I have done the sides of the heart, and you want to make sure you leave an opening for the top because you do have that styrofoam block on the inside. So I left the back with no paper because it's going against the wall, so no one will see it. So there's my styrofoam block, and I'm taking my flowers from Dollar Tree and separating them. So I'm just ripping them apart to separate them, and these flowers do have wire in them, you guys, so I used the wire cutter to kind of pinch it, and then I just twisted it off to break it. So then I'm just taking my flowers and arranging them inside the styrofoam, and you just want to eyeball this and just fix it however you want. I can't tell you how many flowers you want to use because that's really up to you, how you want to arrange them, what way you want to arrange them. It's everything is really up to you. And so if I didn't snap the wire off because it was kind of hard, I just bent the wire up honestly and just stuck it down in there because this was so much easier than trying to cut these wires because the wire cutter was really cheap. I got it from Dollar Tree. Don't get it because it doesn't work. But yeah, so I just bent them up and then stuck them down in there. And here is what it ended up looking like. So I'm almost done. I just have to add my command strips on the back. So all you have to do is read the instructions for the command strips, add them on the back. And here is my finished look, you guys. I have hung these in my bathroom. They are so glam, so cute, so cheap. I'm loving how everything is going together. I just love rose gold. I love pink. I love flowers. I love all things girly and feminine. But I'm really liking how these turned out. And they were really, really cheap, you guys. Really easy to create. Now, the thing you see on the toilet, I did create that as well. So I will be uploading that video soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell for the notifications to see that video. But I'm really, really liking how it turned out. It's so pretty. It goes really, really well with my curtains in my bathroom as well as the floor mats too. If you guys want the info for those, I will try to link those down below. But yeah, I'm really loving how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think if you have any questions, and make sure you keep watching.